There will be times when the scheduler needs to check to see if a rush order can be inserted into the schedule. Using PlanetTogether's Capable to Promise, the system will check for available materials, see how inserting the order into the schedule affects the schedule production of other orders, and reserve capacity on the schedule until customer service has entered the rush order into the ERP. Along the top ribbon, there is the CTP Capable to Promise button. Click this button, enter your CTP placeholder order name. Under Warehouse, use the drop-down to select your warehouse. Use your item drop-down to select the item that you're looking to produce. Enter a required quantity and a production due date. You will also need to select a required path. Click the Submit button. Under the Results column, you will see either a red Late or a green On Time. If you see the red Late, it means that you do not have the materials and capacity to produce this order. If you see the green On Time, it means that you do. Here you can click the Reserve Capacity and Materials Until and Submit again, and it will create the order for you in the system. I can see that it has reserved the capacity on my Gantt.